This is the sea composition from the Young Child 3 Kindermusik class. Sounds of the sea. All was quiet on the sea one day as a gentle wind began to blow. I heard tiny little raindrops fall. And waves. I could hear the waves splashing as the ship navigated. The water was splashing up from the ships. And all of a sudden, the rain started to fall harder. The wind was blowing. Ooh, you can keep it going. And the buoy bell rang in the sea. I heard dolphins jumping. I think they were scared because the storm was brewing. Water and rain and wind. And the buoy bell crashed. Buoy bell crashed. And the ship wanted to warn people, so he blew their foghorn to let ships know that we were coming close. The ship was having trouble navigating. I could hear some rocks underneath. Rocks as it was going into the harbor. The dolphins were scared. They were making sounds. And the wind was so hard that the sails were flapping. And the foghorn was trying to warn the ships. The buoy bell said, "Don't come so close." The buoy bell said, "Don't come so close. You're coming too close to shore." The water was wrestling, and as we got into the cove, the rain was just sprinkling. I could hear the rain sprinkling down, and I could hear a gentle wind, and all was quiet, except the ship ran over one more bed of rocks. And little dolphins were happy again. This was their happy voice this time. And once again, the storm stilled and all was quiet at the bottom of the sea in the cove.